Hi, I am a village boy and I can speak in English. I'm a village girl. I can speak in English. What should I do? I don't know everything. What should do? I don't know everything. People, everybody, everyone say that a village boy and a village girl I can't speak in English. I can't speak in English. Guys, welcome back and to all of you in my class on video. Today I am talk about on my video if you are from village and who belong to village and then there is a question in village and very one's mind then that I am from village or I am belong to village, one city, one etc. etc. Can I learn in English? My question. I said, can you speak in English? Can I speak in English? Perfectly, without hesitation, confidently and fluently. So, guys, yes, you can do it. Doesn't matter and doesn't matter whether you are from belong to Bengali medium and English medium, whether English medium or village on a city, etc. or big state. It doesn't matter. It's a depend on person to person. How much effort you are ready to put to learn this language, then it doesn't matter that you are boy and girl, and doesn't matter you are belong to village and city and village boy and cannot speak in English and city boy he can speak in English. No, it's not big deal. It's not effort. And village boy, you should be not effort because he is a learner. Why? Why? Why sad? Village boy and cannot speak in English. Problem is and practice in English. Practice in English. Every day practice in English. You practice every